Hello, Handyman here. I got a quick tip why I install outlets, especially 220 lines with the ground side up. Reason being is, just in case something falls, an outlet is out, came out somehow, and something falls down and hits it, has a better chance of deflecting, grounding out, and tripping the breaker. So if it's installed like this, and if this was a 220 line, this is just a sample right here. If this was a 220 line and this falls down, then this hanger would be energized, or whatever fell on it. Could cause electrocution, shock, death, a fire, even burn a breaker up or something. It just wouldn't be good. So that's why I install outlets with the ground side up. It's just my personal preference. I hope you found this video useful. Please like, share, and subscribe. Oh, and please don't forget to comment below.